It's a spy thriller, but without those unnecessary helicopter shots. If you like movies like Pathan, Tigers in the Hair, War, Baby, basically spy thriller missions, then you have to check out Trust Fall by Balika Vadhu, also known as Avika Gaur. And don't worry, there are no over the top helicopter shots and action going on here. This one is an absolute page turner that keeps you hooked till the very last page. Trust me. I actually finished it in just a couple of hours, so you can trust me on that. I would call it an Indian spy drama that you can actually read instead of watch. Totally worth your time. So, what is happening in the book? We have Naz, a human lie detector, working with the Special Investigation Agency. Sharp, fearless, and on a big mission. And then enters Kabir. I know what you're thinking. Savior. Kabir is not a cop. He is a con man, but a very useful one. And Naz needs him to complete her mission. And of course, like in the movies, she does not like him, but जैसे एक महान ग्रंथ कुछ कुछ होता है में कहा गया है, एक लड़का और लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. Trust Fall follows that rule, not in a cheesy Bollywood way, but in a subtle and surprisingly romantic way. Kabir, I hope it's Hrithik Roshan. Kabir, meanwhile, has his own mission, finding his missing brother, Mihir. So while Naz is trying to complete her mission, Kabir is on a mission to find his brother. And in between all this, there are twists, actions, cons, enemies, and a lot of who's fooling who moments. But the real question is, क्या Naz का mission और Kabir का mission successful हो पाएगा? Even after she recently had a failed one. Will Kabir find his brother Mihir? Is Mihir alive? Or was Mihir ever missing at all? अब ये सब तो बुक पढ़ के ही पता चलेगा ना. I am not telling this all in the video. Come on. But honestly, I did not expect Trust Fall to be this good. It's fast-paced, fun, and totally engaging, especially the second half. Of course, if you're a regular reader, you might feel that the writing is not 10 on 10, but remember, this is Avika Gaur's first novel, debut novel. And for a first-time writer, she has done a really solid job, that I have to say. And one thing I should mention that in her acknowledgement here, Avika gives equal credit to her co-writer, Diya Yadav. And honestly, that takes a big heart. As you can see, the book is short, just 111 pages, and super easy to read. Yes, there are a lot of characters, like any good spy mission story. So I actually had to make a few notes to keep the track. But once you get into it, it's pure fun. And I genuinely hope, just like Tiger and War, this one also gets a part 2. So, if you're new to reading or you're looking something quick, dramatic, and cinematic, Trust Fall by Avika Gaur is a great pick. I would rate it 7 out of 10. It's a one-time popcorn style read that you will totally enjoy. Now you tell me, if this turns into a movie, who would you cast as Kabir and Naz? Comment below and let's see if we all are imagining the same faces. If you want to order this book, I have given the link of the book in my description, so it will be easy for you to find the book on Amazon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.